Mastering enough in English grammar. Hello, English learners. Today we're diving into a very important element of English grammar, the word enough. It's small but mighty, and knowing how to use it correctly can make a big difference in your English communication. So, get ready as we delve into the definition and meaning of enough. The word enough is a quantifier in English. It's a handy little word used to show the quantity or degree of something. When we say enough, we mean that there is the necessary amount or the desired amount of something, neither too little nor too much. Let's break it down. It can be used in 3 different ways. 1. With nouns, we have enough bread. 2. With adjectives, she is tall enough to reach the shelf. 3. With verbs, they can't run fast enough to catch the bus. In all these examples, enough signifies a satisfactory level or standard. When enough is used with nouns, it comes directly before them. For instance, in the sentence, "We have enough bread," enough is modifying the noun, bread. This means that we have the necessary amount of bread. Here's another example. "He doesn't have enough money." In this case, enough is telling us that he does not have the necessary amount of money for a particular context or situation. When enough is used with adjectives or adverbs, it comes directly after them. For instance, in the sentence, "She is tall enough to reach the shelf," enough is modifying the adjective, tall. This means that her height is sufficient to reach the shelf. Here's another example. "They can't run fast enough to catch the bus." In this case, enough is modifying the adverb, fast. It means they can't run at a sufficient speed to catch the bus. Well, there we have it, folks. Today, we've explored the word enough in depth. Understanding and using enough correctly will help you to express quantities, degrees, and standards in a clearer and more nuanced way. Always remember, practice makes perfect. So, try using enough in your daily English conversations. And keep up the great work on your English language learning journey. See you in our next video.